Hey everyone, welcome back to Sai Recipes. Today, we're making a classic holiday favorite, homemade cranberry sauce. It's super easy to make, and trust me, it tastes way better than the canned version. Here's what you'll need: fresh cranberries, sugar, orange juice, a pinch of salt, and a cinnamon stick for that extra holiday flavor. Start by adding 2 cups of fresh cranberries into a saucepan, then add 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of orange juice. Stir everything together and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. As the cranberries cook, they'll start to pop and break down, creating that beautiful sauce texture. Add a pinch of salt and drop in a cinnamon stick for that warm, cozy flavor. And that's it! Look at this vibrant, homemade cranberry sauce. It's the perfect complement to any holiday meal. Serve it fresh or chill it in the fridge for a few hours to let the flavors come together. Trust me, this is the side dish everyone will rave about. If you loved this easy cranberry sauce recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy holidays!